Hello, my name is Daniel Kelly, and I'm the lead instructor at Vue School. We just recently launched a brand new course, Nuxt.js 3 Fundamentals. And along the way of producing the course, I learned a few cool tricks about working with Nuxt 3. One of the things I learned was about this awesome website called Nuxt.new. This is a way to quickly bootstrap anything new related to Nuxt. So, for example, you could bootstrap a brand new Nuxt 3 project. Or you could bootstrap a brand new Nuxt 3 project with the content module pre-installed for you. This is great for writing things like developer documentation, or even blogs, or any kind of content-related sites. And they've also got a great starting place for creating brand new Nuxt modules. Now, all these starting places come in 3 different flavors. You could create a new project in CodeSandbox, or if you prefer to use StackBlitz like I do, they've got a way to do that as well. Or you could bootstrap the project on your local machine using the Nuxt CLI tool. Let's check out creating a brand new Nuxt 3 project on StackBlitz just to see what we get. After clicking on the link, I'm taken over to the StackBlitz website, and inside of my browser, we get a complete editing environment within just a matter of seconds. Here in the middle is the editor for actually editing the files. Over on the left-hand side, we have got the file structure for our project. And then over on the right-hand side is a live preview that will automatically update whenever we make changes to our project. And pretty much anything you can do in a local environment, you can do right here in StackBlitz. So if you are looking for an excuse not to get started with Nuxt.js 3, then you certainly aren't going to get it in this video. The core team has made it super easy to get started, and you can do it in whichever way you prefer today.